we are going to continue working inside these modules. So let's go back inside the administrator and module manager. Inside here we are going to go to the top left menu, and then we are going to create some links inside this page. Let's eliminate all that, and first of all we are going to write down about us, space, then register, space, and login. We are going to make a selection on the about us and insert a link. Inside here we are just going to write down about dash us and click insert. Then we are going to make a selection on the register and click insert link. Write down register and click insert. Finally, let's go to the login and do the same. Inside the URL, login. Now right now don't worry too much about the URL. We are just creating links so you can actually see what we are going to do. Let's click save and close. Then we are going to go to the module social, and inside here we are going to write down RSS, then contact us, space, LinkedIn, space, Facebook, space, and Twitter. Then make a selection on the RSS, and we are going to insert a link. The link will be RSS, click insert, then contact us, and the link. In here, contact, dash, and us. Click insert, continue with the LinkedIn, and click on link. Write down in here, LinkedIn, click insert, let's go to Facebook, and write down Facebook, and finally we are going to finish the Twitter. Write down in there Twitter, and we are going to click save and close. Going back to the front page, and we are going to refresh. Now if you notice, you are going to have all these links on the top. What we are going to do next is start styling all these links inside these module positions. We are going to go back to the CMS Gray in here, and down here we are going to click enter, and then hash and top bar, then space and A. Now why we are doing this? Because we are going to be targeting all the A elements which are going to be links, and at the same time are going to be descendants of the top bar ID. If you analyze the code in here and right click again and view page source, scroll down, and this will be the top bar, and down here you are going to start noticing all the anchor elements. These anchor elements are going to be descendants of this top bar division. So we are going to start modifying all those links. Let's go back. First of all, we are going to open the curly brackets, and in here we are going to copy this border inside the link. Ctrl C, and then going down and Ctrl V. We are going to eliminate the bottom, backspace, and Ctrl S. What this property it is going to do, it is going to surround all the link with the dot line. Let me go back. Then we are going to click enter, and the color will be white. We are going to write down hash and F, F, and F, semicolon, then click enter, and we are going to apply text transform, dash, transform, and we are going to use the uppercase, semicolon, Ctrl S, and we are going to upload that file. Click upload, okay, and then we are going to refresh so we can actually see the changes that we have applied to this style. Well, in this case nothing happened. Let me go back and double check. Ctrl S again, and you know what, let me tell you, I noticed right away that the top bar ID won't have the same spelling. If you notice, I will have a lowercase b, so I will need to backspace and write down the capital letter, then Ctrl S, and going back, right click and upload. Click OK. Now we are going to refresh one more time. There you are. Now as you can see, you are going to be able to see all these links in here, and before continue we are going to apply some padding around these links. and together with that we are going to change the color around the border. Let's go back in here. The color will be to the CCC, and the padding we are going to click enter. Padding, the colon, we are going to apply 0 at the top, 5 pixels on the right, and then 0 pixels at the bottom and 5 pixels on the left. And let's see how that will work. Semicolon, Control S. Again, we are going to right click and upload. My friends, as you can see, you will need to play around several times before you can achieve whatever layout you want. There you are. You know what? We are going to apply 8 pixels on the left and right, and then 4 pixels on the top and bottom. So let's go back. We are going to write down 4 pixels, and then next 8 pixels, and then 4 pixels, and 8 pixels. Control S, and upload one more time. Click OK, and refresh. There you are. It will look a lot better. Finally, we are going to reduce the size, the font size, just a little bit. Let's go back and apply, click enter, and font size. Then colon, and we are going to probably use 75%, semicolon. Now if you notice up here inside the padding, if you are going to have 4 pixels on the top and bottom, you can actually eliminate all these, and you are going to have 4 pixels on the top and bottom and 8 pixels on the left and right. Control S, and we are going to upload one more time. Click OK and refresh. And as you can see, my friends, we have finished styling the links inside the top bar. What we are going to do next, we are going to start applying the icons inside this section. All this section will contain the icons from the social places that we are going to be integrating inside this template. So let's go ahead and do that.